Good morning and welcome back to Vlogtober. Back from the school run and the room is a mess. I need to clean up. Just bought myself this little cardigan jumper situation from Tesco. Thought it was quite cute. I think it was £18. Haven't bought clothes in a really long time. Just, you know, thought it was quite cute. I'm now not sure about the buttons. Are they a bit much? They might be a bit much, but hey, it's a comfy little, it's very soft. It's very soft. Also, don't usually do Halloween, but I thought I should lean into the season. I bought a tinsel wreath. I bought some Halloween cookie cutters. Since I discovered that recipe last Christmas, it's not a recipe so much as just chill the dough. Chill the dough, guys, chill the dough. Where I can actually make cookies that are the right shape. So I thought we might make some, even if it's just pumpkin, it's cute, right? And I bought this sign, which, get it? I quite liked, and it reminded me of Clueless, so I'm gonna put them up now. Are they nuts there? They're nuts, aren't they? It's holographic, it's quite cool. Yeah, it's kind of nuts. I think this is too high. Is that better maybe? They just happened to, like I had pictures up there, so I just took the pictures down and put those up. I think that's cool. A little Halloween corner. Also bought some Sideboard Max because my neck is killing me. It's definitely tension, definitely, but this morning I woke up and was like, oh, I can't move my neck, this really hurts. So I'm gonna sit down, I'm gonna prep for some videos that I'm gonna film today, and I'm gonna take a Sideboard Max. Maybe I'll play a little bit of Animal Crossing while I wait for the washing machine to stop making that noise. I've just been sitting, I mean, all last night I was looking as well. I'm looking for a TV unit that will fit here. It kind of needs to be a similar height to this, but I wanted one that the TV was like, that this stuff was like in a little slot. So I kind of wanted a sideboard that had a little media slot. But it also needs to be high enough because I've realised this has been mounted on the TV quite high. So we're going to get a larger TV, which we were going to do ages ago and then again, because we were going to move, who's going to do that then? We were going to wait until we moved. Now we're not going to move. This wall is massive and the TV is definitely too small for it. So if we do get a slightly bigger TV, it's still going to need to be taller than your average TV unit. So I'm just been sat here thinking, I just don't know what the solution is because I can't find anything that fits the bill. And I think between all of the things I have here, I can make something that looks pretty cool. We don't need all this stuff now because I've minimized so much. I've just got rid of so much stuff. I'm gonna just try something. Manny is just sitting in front of his pile of things out of his cupboard. Not entirely sure what's going on. He just seems to be surveying his things. Right, so what initially felt like a brainwave now feels like something I've done before, because there were holes for all of the things that I've just put back in. So all of this along there, all that. This is not going to be there, this is not going to be there, that is going to be the unit underneath the TV. For now. Might change out the handles, I don't know. But I've clearly done this before. I have no memory of it. Oh man, so much has happened since we last spoke. So it started with this unit here. And then I moved everything around. And look, I actually am a little bit obsessed with this. I did eventually film what I would look at money. Did eventually film what I was meaning to film earlier on, but I did take a long time to do all of this stuff in the meantime. This is not going to stay. I was just kind of playing with it because next year I'm definitely going to more neutralise the living room. Neutralise, not, you know what I'm saying, it's not really the right word. I was just kind of like playing around with the colour and stuff. And the blue sofa and the blue footstool will go in the little snug. Very exciting. Anyway, so this was a bit of a brainwave. I'm kind of thinking, it's a funny light at the moment, I don't know how to see, but I'm kind of thinking like of an evening, sitting here, watching TV, which by the way, we're going to get a new TV, which is exciting. Is this, I mean obviously everything's a mess right now, but is this unattractive? Is that kind of like tucked away enough? I don't know. I haven't finished cleaning yet. I just kind of broke for editing. But I kind of like that that's maybe like a thing out of the way, but then, and I can push the screen back. I'll come back to you. Okay, I'm done. Also, I have to show you something. During the course of today, 2 of the 3 buttons have fallen off this, and very annoyingly and stupidly on my part, I threw away the receipt immediately because it wasn't anything that I was gonna need to keep a receipt for. How annoying is this? It did come with spares. I don't know where the 3rd one went. I literally no idea. Wouldn't recommend. So, here is what, well, Manny is just traumatised. He's like, why? Why is she moving the living room around again? Why? He's also sitting where the sofa would have been, probably wondering why there's no sofa there. I'm sorry, Manny, for ruining your life. So this I'm really happy with. We'll see how it goes, actually working this way next week. I do have a put-up desk that I probably would still put up just so that I've got somewhere to write and stuff, but we'll see. We'll see how this goes, but this is, you know, my plan. And then this, I'm gonna leave for now. I don't know, you know, I'll see what Lee says when he comes home, but like, I don't hate the blankets on the sofa. I just feel like it's like a warmer vibe for winter time. What do you think? Also, love this completely. It's really weird to not have a whole line of these because that's the way we've lived, but I don't know, I have to get comfortable with these empty spaces. It makes me feel uneasy. And I decided to put the little Halloween decorations on the thermostat. I'm going to light the candle that I purchased and told myself I would save for Christmas, but I'm not saving for Christmas. It's specifically a Christmas candle, clearly. I definitely should have trimmed that wax. Wax? Wick. Maybe I'm gonna need to do that now. Lee is getting stuff for... he's getting stuff for loaded nachos. He said the other day that he'd quite like loaded nachos. We haven't had loaded nachos in a while. He said he'd quite like them. I'm like, yes, we'll do that on Friday. He's gonna get some Southern Comfort and have some drinks. Loaded nachos, below deck, Friday night, sorted. The last time he got the stuff, I gave him the list. The last time he got the stuff for loaded nachos, guess what he forgot? Nachos. That's right. He got everything else. Nachos is what he forgot. So hopefully he remembers everything today. Hello, baby. Oh, he's been quite put out today, haven't you? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You've had nowhere to relax. Maybe you can just like conk out now and have a sleep. Yeah. But I'm really feeling this now. It feels like cozy and warm. I like it. I like it. Now, the question is, where will the Christmas tree go? Do we think here, this little space, or next to the window? Oh my, next to the window. I think maybe here. This feels like the right space. Oh, I think the dog's alerting Manny to potentially Lee being home. But I love this. I love this whole vibe. I'm going to sign off for today's vlog, get this edited, and close my computer for the day. Also, just one last thing, because this is a bit ridiculous, but I've been thinking about it because I've been playing Animal Crossing a little bit. I'm thinking about doing a Halloween Animal Crossing party. This is very specific to those of you who play the game. But I'm thinking of doing something where I like open up the island and we'll do like something fun. Some like prizes or something. I don't know how you would do this, but I thought because on Halloween they're going to have some stuff going on, like there's a certain hours window on the 31st, and obviously we can't go out and do anything on Halloween, so I thought it might be fun for those people who do like Animal Crossing to like, I might like spruce up my island and do something. I don't know. Is that something you'd be interested in? Let me know. It would make me feel like I'm decorating my island for a reason.